It's a rainy evening and we are making some spicy Asian vermicelli snacks. Heat up the pan and add a spoon of butter. Spread the butter evenly. Add a packet of wheat vermicelli and roast it. Add 3 cups of water and heat it. Put the roasted vermicelli in the water and cook it well. Ensure that the vermicelli does not become too soft. Ensure that the vermicelli stays fluffy. Check if the vermicelli is boiled properly. Cook it for 2 minutes. Now remove the vermicelli in a strainer and remove all the hot water in it. Wash the vermicelli with cold water so that it becomes fluffy and non-sticky. Fluffy cooked vermicelli is ready. A spoon of butter to the pan and let's saute some green vegetables. Add salt and a packet of Maggi masala to enhance the taste. Add little water just to moisten it. Oregano and chili flakes, my favorite. Adding the cooked vermicelli. Mixing it well so that all the spices and flavors are evenly spread. Perfect snack for a chilly rainy evening. It's spicy, full of vegetables and super tasty. Cook this for a party and your guests will love you. Look how fluffy and cool this dish is. Wheat vermicelli, lots of proteins, lots of vegetables, lots of fiber. Enjoy this delicious Asian snack at any time of the day. When your heart is beating and wanting something steamy and delicious.